Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and confirming the correct account is active. Once done, decide whether replies differ for internal versus external recipients because Outlook separates those. Make sure you already wrote a clear subject and brief message. This saves time when configuring rules. If you use Outlook Desktop, go to File. If you use Outlook on the web, open Settings. These first steps set the context and ensure you modify the right mailbox and avoid sending replies from the wrong account. Now create the auto-reply itself. In Desktop, Outlook select File, then Automatic Replies. On the web, open Automatic Replies in Settings. Activate replies and enter start and end times so messages stop automatically. Paste your internal message in the Internal tab and a concise external message in the External tab. Next, add rules or exceptions if needed. Limit to specific senders, mailing lists, or keywords to prevent loops. Make sure to test by sending from another account so you confirm both. Finish by saving or turning on the automatic reply and immediately verify functionality. Send test emails from an internal address and an external address to confirm each message appears correctly, and that start/end times apply. Monitor for duplicate replies and ensure rate limiting prevents loops. If something goes wrong, reopen Settings and check rule order, selected account, and any server-side policies that may override client settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if auto-replies don't send, examine your mailbox's server-level automatic reply settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.